हेलो गाइस। जस्ट वांटेड टू शो यू ऑल कि कौन से एयरबीएनबी में हम रुके हुए हैं इन कोटागिरी। दिस इज़ आवर एयरबीएनबी दैट वी took, and this is one of the finest property here क्योंकि this is all a single property, तो you can access all these। और नीचे तक भी इन्हीं का प्रॉपर्टी है। इनफैक्ट दे हैव अराउंड 11 रूम्स, and depending on couple size and solo traveler, they have different rooms. They have a dedicated kitchen, so they can offer you food, breakfast, lunch and dinner you can do over here, and they cook in front of you. So it is one of the best place that you can book. And also you have access to that waterfall that is also accessible from this property, because the way to that waterfall goes through this property itself. And apart from this, you can spot like different animals, especially bison, but if you're lucky you can also expect some uh, Indian slot deer, barking deer. So barking deer we spotted right around here in the night. And I can show you the property. So this is the way. यहाँ पे 3 रूम है. So this is our room. Let me just give you a tour of my room. और luckily हमें जो room मिला, it's a big one. So you can see the room size. We are 2 guys here, so now this was the property. We also had a balcony, and apart from that you also get terrace. You have a sitting area over there. I'll quickly give you a look around of the place. You get hammock and some sitting area. People can dry off their clothes. ये बहुत शानदार जगह है। यहाँ पे आप अपना कॉफ़ी टी लेके आप इधर बैठो, टेक अ व्यू, हैव योर कॉफ़ी, और रात में यू गेट अ क्लियर स्काई, सो यू कैन हैव अ look of the stars, different stars. So it's pretty good. And also with all these uh, trees, beautiful trees actually. Now let me show you the kitchen and other property that I was talking about. This I booked through Airbnb. यहाँ पे कार नहीं आते हैं, just mind that. कार के लिए you have parking up there. You can see it's well maintained place. This is on Airbnb. It's like a resort. I mean, one of the best place. And the guys over here are very friendly, very friendly. This is one cabin that you can book. I heard that it's a premium one. This is again one sitting area with a bonfire. 1,000 rupees for the bonfire. As a team, you can ask them to let it up. This is our kitchen. अभी locked है, but the keys is इधर ही रखते हैं key को. So this is also one of the best highlight of this place. And then you have different sitting area. This is all one place. This is another property जहाँ पे you can stay. You can hear a lot of birds. बहुत ढेर सारे चिड़िया हैं यहाँ पे. And you can go to different places. So I'll show you one by one. So this is another sitting area, and the way to the waterfall goes through this. And रास्ते में जाते हुए there are two more cabins to stay. So you can take a look of this place. That's our bike parking area, and there is also a sitting place. And then you can go down there, and udhar bhi you can get a view of, there is a meditation rock. we'll go and we'll show you. But for now, take a look of this beautiful morning view, and you will spot different birds. I mean, I have spotted different birds that I was not even aware of exist, and I've seen them for the first time. So guys, जो मैं सुबह बता रहा था वाटरफॉल के बारे में जो हमारे प्रॉपर्टी से एक्सेसिबल है, सो दिस इज़ द वाटरफॉल। जिसके साथ में आया था उसका चश्मा कहीं गुम गया था कल रात यहाँ पे टी प्लांटेशन में। वी फर्स्ट सर्च दैट और हमें लकीली मिल गया वो चश्मा। एंड दिस इज़ दैट ब्यूटीफुल वाटरफॉल। यहाँ पे अभी सुबह का टाइम है, सो दीज टू गाइज ओवर देयर वो भी हमारे एयरबीएनबी वाली उसी एयरबीएनबी में रुके हुए हैं। ब्यूटीफुल इज़न्ट इट?